Alright, here's my brother PE900. It's the same as the PE800, which I have on the left. And here's the part we're concerned with. Right here, the thread goes in. The thread goes in. And it gets locked behind this. That's the spring. That's the spring. And that moves, that spring. All right, now, it moves this way when you pull the thread through. Now, I found when you change your needle, this moves. Sometimes the needle pushes it. When you're putting the needle in, it winds up down here. And it doesn't work when it's down there. It won't hold the thread. The thread will keep jumping out. Now here is the two parts I was showing you that I ordered. Okay. The part that bends and breaks is this piece here, very thin. Fell over. But you can see it's sticking up over here. Your needle goes up in the hole, into here. All right, you see how that just moved underneath? This is underneath now, the number 6. This part right here. So that's not going to hold the thread. Now on the other machine, I removed this right here. All right? I'm going to show you. I'm going to grab the piece. Here's the piece. Okay, there's your presser foot. This is the part that you screw onto your take-up lever shaft. I'm going to show you on the other machine. I get my doggy to move. Watch out, baby. Watch out, baby. Okay, that's where it goes. Right here it goes. And that's hooked to the presser foot. Presser foot hooks onto that. I'm going to put it on now. Stop the camera. All right, here's the part number. It's a thread guide supply assembly. It's number 15. enlarge this. Number 15 is this part over here. It's this part. And here's two pieces. Two pieces. I put the part number in. Over here, XE7727 201. 201. Actually, this part is 301 here. And over here they say 201, but this is the part. This is the part here. This is the part you need. Now I ordered three of them, and what you get is you get these two things. So in the meantime, I took my PE800 apart, and I'm comparing it to the PE900. It's the same part. I just want to show you how it goes in. The heavier piece of the metal is here. You put the needle clamp in the middle of this bent heavier piece. You will line it up and you move it up to the needle bar until the hole that goes through the needle bar is lined up. Okay. Now, the bottom of this needle bar, needle holder, there is a piece of metal, the shape of the needle, which is, if you want to call it a half a circle, the flat goes towards the back of the machine. Thin piece of metal that's in the bottom of this solid piece right here. And on the other side of it, that's where you tighten the screw, the black screw that holds the needle up. Okay, so now the next thing I got to do is I got to put this piece that goes on top of what I just installed, and the screw is into it. Gotta be careful to put the spring in this portion, which is the number 6 thread guide. The reason I took that off to get access to this screw that holds on the piece I was showing you, the two pieces, with one little screw. I'm going to do that now. Here's the new needle. And here's the piece with the spring. And that should capture the thread behind it. There you go. There you go. It's back there. All right. There you go. Okay, folks. And now I put back the carriage. Put the carriages back. And that's the end of that. If you like what you see, please subscribe and ring the bell.